What's up guys, Eric from Beastline. Today we are here to showcase some of the products that we offer on our Toyota 4Runner, the Lexus GX, and our Tesla Model X and our Porsche GT3. And some of the products that we offer include our S-Connect, CarPlay, and Android Auto system, all plug and play, works wirelessly. We also have the front camera adapter for Toyota and Lexus. In addition to that, we also have the smartphone mirroring kit for the Toyota and also for the Lexus from 2013 all the way to 2021. Works plug and play as well. And we have the newer smartphone mirroring kit which transmits video signals through the LVDS, much higher definition quality. It comes out super crystal clear. Very, very awesome product. In addition to that, we also have the Tesla Model X phone mirroring kit, all plug and play. Once again, it works while you're driving. Basically, you see whatever you see on your phone on the car screen, including Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you name it, and it's perfect for long road trips and to keep your passengers entertained so that you don't become bored in long road trips. In addition, we also have our awesome shift power throttle response controller. We cover various vehicles. We have over 5,000 applications, including Toyotas, Lexuses, Ford, Lincoln, Audi, and also Porsches, which covers like our 911, 991.1 GT3 as well. All right, guys, let's go to the Model X and show you the phone mirroring system. Alright guys, we're in the vehicle. This is how the phone mirroring system looks. Right now we are playing this YouTube video straight from our phone here. This is basically an HDMI input and you can feed basically any sort of HDMI in here. The sound's gonna come through the car's Bluetooth system. In addition to that, all these controls work. Your volume will continue to work. Your track up and down will continue to work to go to the next YouTube video or Netflix video or whatever content you're showing from your phone. In addition to that, you can press and pause the video from here as well. And this is using your backup camera input. So if you press and hold this menu button here, take you back to your backup camera, press and hold again. It'll take you back to the video input or phone mirroring mode. This vehicle also plays videos from the factory, but it only plays when the car is stopped and parked. It won't let you play while your car is driving. So this is a really cool way to keep your passengers entertained or your kids entertained while you're on a long road trip, and you'll be able to play video directly from the screen to whatever type of content you would like to see while you're driving. So we're currently showing you the phone mirroring interface or video input interface for this Model X. It's also compatible with Model S all the way from 2013 and all the way until they change the screen to the horizontal screen. So it works with all these large vertical screen. And if you have the new horizontal screen, we also have it for the Model 3 and the Model Y up till year 2023. And if you have a Model 3 or Model Y, you can actually utilize the whole entire screen and do a full screen video input or phone mirroring method. You can also change the mode so that your car information is still showing on the left while you're driving and the video is only showing on the right side. Another exciting product that we offer for Tesla vehicles is the digital rear view camera for Tesla Model Ys. We are planning on expanding the application. Basically what it is it's really difficult to see through the rear view mirror just because the view is really small. So it allows you to see a really wide rear view bypassing the back seat. So if there's people sitting behind you and your hatch or your trunk is full, you cannot see behind you, then this is where it comes in handy. In addition to that, visibility is just so much better. It'll cover your blind spots and it's much safer to be using a rear view mirror which covers a lot more view than your typical rear view mirror that you have here. All right guys, let's move on to the next vehicle. All right guys, let's go check out the Lexus GX 460. And this vehicle also has the shift power throttle response controller. It also have our front camera adapter. And it has the Lexus approved S-Connect, CarPlay, and Android Auto retrofit kit. It works wirelessly and all your favorite apps at your fingertips. You can call your friends, you can also play music with your favorite music player, and you can also use your favorite map application to take you to your destinations, while the factory backup camera continues to function. In addition to that, your steering wheel controls continue to work, track up and down, your volume up and down, and also your phone call and phone call hang up button. And you can also summon Siri by pressing and holding the phone call button as well. Alright guys, let's go check out the Toyota 4Runner. Alright guys, so this car is also equipped with our shift power throttle response controller to give that additional acceleration boost when you need it. In addition, we also have a front camera adapter. When you press the button, the front camera shows up. Press it again, backup camera, and it goes back to the factory screen. It is programmable so that it'll switch back to the factory screen when you want it to. And the most exciting product, the Encore Alpha power amplifiers. Plug and play, super easy to install. You will literally install it less than 30 minutes. It's all plug and play, and it's small enough where you can mount it behind your radio if you like to. And on top of that, it reuses your factory speakers so that you don't have to change out your speakers, and you can still transform the way your car sounds. It makes a huge difference, and you'll be very, very satisfied. In addition to that, the price is very affordable at under $300. And once again guys, this is a game changer right here. And if you want something a little bit more, we also offer the DSP power amplifier. It's our Encore X series, and that one is also plug and play. The amplifier is bigger, so you cannot fit behind the radio. The harness gives enough length so that you can mount it under your passenger seat, and that one is tuned specifically for your vehicle. The DSP is tuned by our master sound engineer in-house in Japan. He'll spend days just to make that sound perfect for your car's cabin and to create that concert hall-like experience where the audio will be focused on the driver's side. It's a game changer, guys. And on top of that, it's very easily expandable. It has sub-outs on there so that you can easily add a subwoofer if you wish to. And if you want to make some changes to the tune, you can also do that with the powerful software that it comes equipped with. So just to explain further that we've been in this car audio game for a long time, the BeatSonic name actually is the first product name that we debuted the company with back in the early 90s. These were these bass shakers that you would connect to your seat so that whenever the bass notes hit, that it will give that vibration sensation on the seat to make it feel like the bass is hitting harder. And it was a very, very cool product back then in the 90s. And from there on, we also developed our very own tube hybrid amplifiers in the brand name of Muse. They're very, very expensive. It was around $3,000 to $5,000 range, but very, very successful, and we are known to have one of the highest quality amplifiers in the market at that time. And taking that technology, we were able to shrink it and make it very, very small, like so. Have a low price one where it still transforms how your car sounds. All right, so let's move on to the next car. All right, let's check out our Porsche GT3. Alright guys, I know that there's a lot of different throttle response controllers on the market, but what makes ours special is the price point. Ours is one of the least expensive ones in the market. On top of that, it has a dedicated app with a lot of features. Our app has the most features of any throttle response controls on the market today. So this shift power throttle response controller has a very powerful app where you can jump through different driving modes: dynamic, sport, super sport, and race. You can even lock your throttle for anti-theft. So when you're parked somewhere and you want to add that extra level of security, you definitely can do so by locking your acceleration pedal. You can also put into valet mode so that your valet driver won't be able to floor the vehicle. And on top of that, you have this really cool button that will light up to show you which mode you are on, which basically does everything that the app can do. And on top of that, you do not have to stop your car to change the mode. You could be driving and in the middle of cruising speed, you can change the mode. So that off the bat, like if you need to change the mode, whether you're going uphill or when you just feel like driving faster, you definitely can do so in the middle of your drive. Alright guys, well that is some of the product that we offer here at BeatSonicUSA.com. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can also always email us at info@BeatSonicUSA.com. We're always checking our emails, ensuring to provide the A+ customer service for all of you guys. If you haven't yet and you want to support our channel, hit that like and that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.